First, we talk about interleukins. Interleukin 1, we write this as IL-1. If we look at this, look like T. So interleukin 1 is for T. Interleukin 1 is for T cell activation. Interleukin 1 is for T cell activation. This is very important. And when we talk about interleukin 2, we write 2 like this, and we take a mirror image of this 2 like this. So it looks like a 8, right? So interleukin 2 is for CD8 activation. Interleukin 2 is for CD8 activation. Okay, next is interleukin 3. If we turn this 3 into like this, if we rotate this, it looks like an M. So interleukin 3 is responsible for myeloid cell activation. Myeloid cell activation. So interleukin 3, if you rotate this 3, it looks like M, and interleukin 3 is for myeloid cell activation. And if we talk about interleukin 4, this 4, if we turn, it looks like it is not F. If we add a line, it looks like E. So interleukin 4 is for IgE activation. Interleukin 4 is for IgE activation. When we talk about interleukin 5, there is no tricks for 5, it is for IgA. Interleukin 5 is for IgA activation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines in A. Okay, so in 6, this 6 look like this, right? This 6 look like a G, right? So IgG activation. Interleukin 6 is for IgG activation. And if we talk about interleukin 7, if we invert and rotate, it look like L. So interleukin 7 is for lymphoid cell activation. So interleukin 7 is for lymphoid cell activation, and interleukin 3 is for myeloid cell activation. And finally, when we talk about interleukin 8, if we consider this area, it look like this, right? X. So interleukin 8 is for chemotaxis. Interleukin 8 is for chemotaxis. Interleukin 8 is chemotaxis. Okay. So that's all. Interleukin 1 is for T cell activation. 2 is for CD8 activation. 3 is for myeloid cell activation. 4 is for IgE activation. 5 is for IgA activation. 6 is for IgG activation. 7 is for lymphoid cell activation. 8 is for chemotaxis. Okay. So this interleukin 1 and 8, they both produced by macrophages production. It is important to know both activation and production. Activation we told earlier, but it is produced by 1 and 8 is produced by macrophages, while 7 is produced by stromal cells. Interleukin 1 and 8 by macrophages, 7 is by stromal cells, and the rest 2 to 6 is by helper T cells. That's all. Okay, T cell markers are CD2, 3, 4 and 8. CD2, CD3, CD4, CD8 are T cell markers. It is in this order: 2, 3, 4, 8. Okay, when we talk about B cell markers, it is CD 19, 20, 21, 40. 19, 20, 21, 40 B cell markers. Natural killers, they are CD 16 and CD 16 and CD 56. Both got 6. Okay, natural killers are 16 and 56. And macrophages are marked by CD 14, while neutrophils marked by CD 18. Neutrophils, okay. Macrophages by CD 40 and neutrophils by CD 18. And this CD 18, also known as leukocyte adhesion factor. Leukocyte adhesion factor. Okay. Next, CD3 is also known as pan T cell marker. Pan T cell marker. We can remember like this 3, and this T is for pan T. Okay, and when we talk about pan B markers, it is CD 19. Okay, that's all about interleukins and other cytokines. Thank you.